In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva app not working. If Canva suddenly won't open, gets stuck on the loading screen, or keeps crashing while you're editing, it can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to finish something important. The good news is that in most cases, this problem is caused by a few common issues like temporary app data, an outdated version, connection problems, or too many background tasks using your device's memory. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to check the service status, clear the app cache, update Canva, free up system resources, and then confirm everything is working properly again. First, before changing anything on your device, check whether the issue is actually coming from Canva itself. Open your web browser and go to status.canva.com. Once the page loads, look at the service indicators for areas like the editor, apps, and login. If you see an active outage or incident, that means the problem is happening on Canva's side, and the best thing to do is wait for their team to resolve it. If everything is showing as operational, then the issue is likely limited to your device. Next, clear Canva's cache and temporary data. This is one of the most effective fixes when the app freezes or refuses to launch properly. On the Canva desktop app for Windows, open the File menu, go to Settings, and look for the option to clear cache. If the app won't open at all, press the Windows key and R, type %app data %, then find the Canva folder and remove its temporary data. On mobile, open your device settings, find Canva in the app list, and use the clear cache or offload app option, depending on your device. After that, make sure Canva is fully updated. An older version of the app may not work correctly with newer services. On mobile, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Canva, and tap Update if it appears. If you use the desktop app, close Canva completely, then visit canva.com/download and install the latest version. If the app is still lagging or disconnecting, close other heavy apps running in the background, things like multiple browser tabs, video streaming apps, or other demanding programs can use up a lot of memory and make Canva unstable. Freeing those resources can help the app run much more smoothly. Finally, reopen Canva, sign in, and open a recent design. Make a small edit like moving a text box or graphic, and check that everything responds normally. Also, confirm that Canva shows your work has been saved. If that's happening,